Ever wonder what separates the millionaires from everyone else? It's not always about a brilliant startup idea or getting lucky with stocks. The truth is, 99% of millionaires share a set of powerful habits. And the best part is, anyone can learn them. Forget what you think you know about getting rich. Welcome back to Pharaoh Fund Economic. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the 5 core principles that self-made millionaires live by every single day. And stick with me, because if you start implementing these before 2026, you could completely transform your financial future. This isn't just about money. It's about a mindset shift that builds unstoppable wealth. Let's get into it. First up, and this is a big one, millionaires don't just earn money. They engineer multiple income streams. Think about it this way. Your main job is your primary engine. But what if that engine stalls? The average person has 1, maybe 2 sources of income. The average millionaire, 7. That's not an accident. They understand that relying on a single paycheck is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job and start 7 businesses tomorrow. It starts small. Maybe it's investing in dividend stocks that pay you just for owning them. Or perhaps it's turning a hobby, like photography or writing, into a side hustle that brings in a few $100 extra a month. You could rent out a spare room, create a digital product, or even do some freelance work online. The goal is to build pipelines that flow money into your account even when you are not actively working. Each new stream is another layer of financial security, another step away from living paycheck to paycheck, and a giant leap toward financial independence. Start by exploring one new income stream this year. Master it, automate it as much as possible, and then move on to the next. Before you know it, you'll have a network of income sources working for you around the clock. The second habit is something we all know we should do, but millionaires do it with religious discipline. They pay themselves first. What does that actually mean? It means the moment you get paid, before you pay your rent, your bills, or buy your groceries, a set portion of that money goes directly into your savings and investment accounts. It's a non-negotiable expense. Most people do the opposite. They pay all their bills, spend on wants, and then save whatever is left over, if anything. By paying yourself first, you are prioritizing your future self. You're telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. The easiest way to do this is to automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account for the day after you get paid. Start with a small amount, maybe just 5% or 10% of your income. The key is to make it automatic and invisible. You'll quickly adjust to living on the remaining amount, and your wealth will start building in the background without you even thinking about it. This simple shift in cash flow management is one of the most powerful wealth building tools at your disposal. Alright, habit number 3 might surprise you, because it's not about making more money, but about protecting your most valuable asset, your time. Millionaires are ruthless with their time. They understand that time is the one resource you can never get back. They don't waste it on things that don't align with their goals. This means they say no a lot. They say no to meetings without a clear agenda, no to social obligations that drain their energy, and no to tasks they can delegate or automate. They treat their calendar like a fortress, and only the most important activities get inside. Ask yourself, how much time do you spend scrolling mindlessly on social media? How many hours are lost to unproductive meetings or tasks that could be done by someone else? Millionaires will gladly pay for services that save them time, like grocery delivery, house cleaning, or a virtual assistant. They see it not as an expense, but as an investment. They're buying back their time so they can focus on high-value activities, like building their business, finding new investments, or spending quality time with family. Start auditing your time. For 1 week, track where every hour goes. You'll be shocked. Then, identify the biggest time wasters and strategically eliminate or delegate them. Your time is worth more than any hourly wage. Treat it that way. Coming in at number 4 is a habit that fuels all the others. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They don't believe that learning stops when you graduate from school. In fact, that's when the real learning begins. The world is constantly changing, and if you're not growing, you're falling behind. Self-made millionaires are voracious readers. They read books on finance, leadership, psychology, and biographies of other successful people. They listen to podcasts during their commute. They attend seminars, take online courses, and hire mentors and coaches. They understand that the more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge gives you an edge. It helps you spot opportunities others miss, navigate complex challenges, and make better decisions. Think about it. Investing in a $100 online course that teaches you a new skill could lead to a $10,000 raise or a new business venture. That's an incredible return on investment. So, what are you doing to grow your knowledge? Challenge yourself to read one book a month. Replace some of your entertainment time with educational content. Find a mentor who is where you want to be. The investment you make in your own mind will pay the highest dividends for the rest of your life. Finally, the fifth and arguably most critical habit. Millionaires take calculated risks. Notice the word calculated. They aren't reckless gamblers betting it all on a long shot. They are strategic thinkers who understand that playing it too safe is the riskiest move of all. Keeping all your money in a savings account, for example, feels safe, but inflation is silently eroding its value every single day. That's a guaranteed loss. Millionaires, on the other hand, do their homework. They research investments, understand the potential upsides and downsides, and diversify their portfolios. They aren't afraid to invest in the stock market, start a business, or buy real estate, because they've done the work to mitigate the risk. They know that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Every successful entrepreneur has a story about a failed venture. The key is that they learn from those failures and don't let fear paralyze them. They understand that controlled, intelligent risk-taking is essential for wealth creation. So, step out of your comfort zone. Make that first small investment in an index fund. Start that side hustle you've been dreaming about. Don't let the fear of losing prevent you from winning. Start small, learn as you go, and remember that the biggest risk is taking no risk at all. So there you have it. The 5 habits that 99% of millionaires practice. Build multiple income streams, become a lifelong learner, and take calculated risks. None of these are revolutionary secrets. They are simple, actionable principles. The difference is that millionaires apply them with unwavering consistency. The journey to $1 million isn't a sprint. It's a marathon built on daily habits. If you start building these 5 habits into your life right now, before 2026, you will be on a completely different financial trajectory. The compound effect of these actions over the next few years will be astonishing. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Pick one habit and start today. Just one. Master it, then add another. That is how real, lasting wealth is built. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from this video, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Pharaoh Fund Economic for more content to help you master your money and build your empire. Let me know in the comments which habit you are going to start with first. I'll see you in the next video.